welcome to our epic show. I'm Hannah and this is my awesome co-host, Dan Dan.
Let's get ready for present the present.
The students who can select the best gift for us to unwrap will win.
Let's remind everyone about the ground rules.
For those who remember, Dan Dan and I were having a problem.
Hannah's lunch was making me sneeze.
Well, it wasn't actually mine.
It was her lunch.
You thought it was my lunch, but...
So the teacher made us create this show to help us get along.
So please remember, the rule is don't give us food that can make Dan Dan sneeze. Let's see who our first contestant is.
The first contestant is Sophie from Hualien.
What is it, Dan Dan?
Achoo!
Oh my goodness! We said no foods that will make Dan Dan sneeze. Are you okay?
My nose hurts.
Let's move on to our next gift.
Coming all the way from Achoo, Taichung. Achoo, can you open it?
Wow, these flowers are so pretty. Smell them, Dan Dan.
Flowers have pollen. Achoo!
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, no foods or flowers, please. We should move on to our third gift.
This gift is for Banqiao. Oh no, I am allergic to dog hair. What does the dog have?
It looks like a cat toy. Look. Hey, it's biting the flowers. Oh no, the dog spilled the pepper. Well, folks, stay tuned for more unforgettable gifts next time on Present the Presents.
Achoo!